Today I'm unboxing Seasonic Prime TX750 power supply. It is a 750 watt power supply, fully modular. It is 80 plus titanium certified, which is, I believe, the highest tier of efficiency. It goes from bronze to silver to gold to platinum and titanium. I think it's the most efficient tier. And it has 12 years warranty. I have never seen 12 years warranty on anything. I've seen lifetime warranty for things like RAM modules, but those have a very limited physical stress, so that's not as impressive. For a power supply, 12 years is just super nice. And yeah, so this is one-handed unboxing, so I'll cut the video here and open the box. Actually, before I open the box, let's look at the side here. These are the output specifications. 80x 12 volt, blah blah blah. These are the rails, different rails, and the cables that come with it. Various standard certifications here. That's actually a very big list. And my serial number. Cancer and reproductive harm. Oh my god, it's so scary. And on this side they are showing efficiency chart, which is nice to see. You don't see that on every power supply, every ordinary power supply, because naturally someone who buys something like this probably cares a lot about efficiency like I do. Yeah, top quality fluid dynamic bearing fan, high pressure oil between the FDB's drive shaft and bearing sleeve reduces friction and vibration to increase product lifetime and reliability. The 135mm larger size fan allows for reduced fan rotation speed while maintaining optimal cooling. Yeah, that means it's more quiet. Micro tolerance load regulation. Yeah, keeps the output voltage in a very tight range, achieving under 0.5% load regulation, or 1% for 1000 watts above. This is not a 1000 watt power supply. Impressive electrical performance and stability makes this power supply an ideal choice for high performance systems. It's even more ideal for what I will be using it for, which is a server that runs 24/7 for years and years. 12 years warranty. Yeah, sweet. So I'll open the box now. So when we get inside the box, I don't know what this is. Well, no English. Steam gift. Oh, I think I didn't. Hope I didn't show the code or something. Maybe I get actually something, a gift or something, gift card. Seasonic. This is I believe this is probably useful manual, printed manual, which is rare these days. User manual. We'll see if it's useful or if it's just stupid things like do not eat this power supply or something like that. This is how you plug in a mains cable. This is how you this is how you flip the on-off switch or something like that. Probably, I hope there's something useful here. Well, zip ties for the cables. I've never seen those supplied. Well, I'm already feeling the value for money I'm getting. Okay, soft styrofoam, and here we have Wow, this is interesting. I have no idea what this is. Why is this? This is like a plug. Like you can, I don't know why. What's the purpose of it? European power cord, and a bag of wires. I'm not gonna take these out each now. I showed the box, and on the box it was listed what wires it comes with. More cables. Okay. Well, they really care about shock protection. Oh, yeah, this is over the top. The power supply is in like this velvet bag with the logo on. They are going above and beyond. And this is the power supply. Okay, it's heavy, which is good. It's sturdy. Here are the output side. Once again, you can see what outputs it has. This is the bottom, I think, or the top, depending on how you're mounting it, with this attractive grill, metal grill. All of the outer casing is metal, of course, and Prime logo, which is protected by clear plastic, and this what looks like automotive style air intake or something, like an air scoop almost. Yeah, and on the rear, yeah, this extra switch you see here, this is a pretty big deal for me, and one of the reasons why I chose this power supply is because it has this so-called hybrid mode. When you enable it, it will turn off the fan unless there is a certain amount of load or certain amount of wattage required, asked for the power supply. I think it's 40% of the maximum output, and otherwise the fan will be completely stopped and it will essentially be passively cooled power supply. I could have bought a Seasonic passively cooled Prime series. I think they are also called Primes, but I figured that the best option is to have both from safety point of view, because I will be running this for a server, as I said, and well, most of the time, or most likely all the time, it will be, well, it will average below 40% of the rated output. So the fan will be off, but if, let's say, there's a dust building up inside, and some of the components get really hot, there will be still the option for the fan to turn on. And while the fan will be off, most of the time it will not be sucking in dust for no reason while it's barely even working, you know. The CPU I'm intending to use will probably never run more than 40-50 watts. Like, it will spike probably 60 watts or something, but on average it will probably use 30-40 watts. So the fan will be off, I believe, all the time, pretty much, unless it's very hot inside, and or there's dirt build up inside, and then it will kick in. So that will give me the best safety as well as the best noise reduction. Basically, it will be completely silent, and there will still be a fan that can turn on if it's needed. Yeah, so this is the Seasonic Prime 750. Pretty. Oh, one more thing. One more clear plastic to remove. Well, this one is a bit tricky, but I got it.